What are the main parts of a mussel? Have you ever wondered what makes a mussel so unique? These fascinating marine creatures have a body structure that is perfectly designed for life in the ocean. Understanding their main parts can help you identify them and appreciate their role in marine ecosystems. At the core, a mussel has a shell that is divided into two halves, known as valves. These valves are hinged together, allowing them to open and close. This shell serves as a protective barrier for the soft body inside, helping the mussel survive in various environments. The outer surface of the shell is covered by a thin layer called the periostracum, which protects against wear and chemical damage. Inside the shell, you will find two main layers. The first is the prismatic layer, which is made of chalky calcium carbonate crystals. The second layer is the nacreous layer, often referred to as mother of pearl, which gives the shell its smooth and shiny interior. Between the two shell valves lies the mussel's soft body, which is organized into several important parts. The mantle is a thin tissue that lines the inside of the shell. It is responsible for secreting the material that forms the shell. The foot is another key part. It is a muscular organ that allows the mussel to move or anchor itself to surfaces like rocks or the seafloor. When mussels are young, they use their foot to move around. However, as they mature, they often stay in one place, attaching themselves using strong threads known as byssal threads. Mussels also have two main muscles called adductor muscles. These muscles hold the shell tightly closed, providing protection against predators and keeping the mussel's body moist when exposed to air at low tide. Inside the mussel, the gills are large and feathery structures that serve two main functions: breathing and feeding. The gills filter oxygen from the water while also trapping tiny food particles for the mussel to eat. Water enters the mussel through an inhalant siphon and exits through an exhalant siphon, carrying away waste and aiding in respiration. The digestive system of a mussel includes a stomach, intestines, and digestive glands that process the food filtered by the gills. The heart pumps a blood-like fluid called hemolymph throughout the body. The reproductive organs, known as gonads, are located near the digestive system and are responsible for producing eggs or sperm. For those interested in citizen science projects focused on marine conservation, knowing these main parts of a mussel is essential. It helps participants recognize different species and understand how mussels interact with their environment. Observing the shape, color, and presence of byssal threads can help distinguish mussels from other shellfish. Understanding how mussels filter water and anchor themselves highlights their importance in maintaining healthy marine habitats. This knowledge supports efforts to monitor and protect mussel populations as part of broader marine conservation initiatives.